Hi, my name is Dawid Tumiński and thanks for enrolling in this course. Now, if you are here, the chances are that in the past you either wanted to learn Photoshop but felt overwhelmed by it.
This video is brought to you by AbiPi's Academy.
You started learning it but finally gave up because you didn't see any results of your efforts, or you want to learn only the practical aspects of Photoshop, the ones that are easy to learn and give fast results. Well, then you are in the right place because this course is all about Photoshop's practical essentials. So let's actually see what you will learn inside this course. We're going to start with the quick interface overview, but we will look at it from a practical point of view. You will learn the most essential and most effective ways of using it. Then we're going to talk about the practical and most effective ways of bringing your images into Photoshop. And after that, we'll briefly talk about the layers, but only in the practical aspects. You will learn only what you need to make your photos look great and not break them in the process. In the next section, you'll learn how to quickly transform your images, how to change their size, how to rotate them, how to flip them, all that using the quickest and the simplest techniques. You know, there's a difference between the image itself and the canvas that it sits on. So in this section, you'll learn how to use the canvas, what's the difference between the canvas and the image, and what are the practical benefits of it. After that, we will demystify cropping. You've probably noticed the bars that sometimes pop up when you take a photo on your digital camera. After this section, you will know how to create photo compositions like a photography superstar. And after that, we will talk about using the adjustment layers. Now, I know it may sound scary, but before we move on to the actual making your photo look great part, we'll talk about what the adjustment layers are, how to use them, and why it's a good idea to use them. And once we are familiar with the adjustment layers, we'll talk about how to make the colors of your photo look great, how to make it more vivid, and how to make it look more natural. All that in just a few easy steps. And one of those adjustments will also allow us to give any photo a retro look, and this actually be a quick peek at what you will learn in my other course on creating most popular Instagram effects in Photoshop. So once we are happy with our photo, we made all the adjustments, we made all the corrections, it's time to share it with the world so it can envy us. So you will learn how to save your images for both, put it on Facebook or Twitter or anywhere on the web, and for future editing. So as you can see, there's a lot of practical stuff to cover, so let's jump right in.